In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions on Loom. Captions make your videos more accessible, easier to follow in noisy or quiet environments, and clearer for anyone who prefers reading along. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently add and manage captions on any Loom video. Start by logging into your Loom account. From here, you have two options: record a new video using Loom, or upload an existing video from your device. Either approach works perfectly. Just remember, captions become available after the video is saved and processed, so let the upload or recording finish before moving on. A quick tip: clear audio and minimal background noise will help the caption generator produce better results. Once your video is ready, head to your Loom dashboard and open the video you want to caption. This takes you to the video's viewing page, where all the controls and settings live. Next, look for the Captions or CC option. Depending on your account and settings, captions may start generating automatically. If they don't, simply click Generate Captions to kick things off. Loom will analyze your audio and build the text for you behind the scenes. Now give Loom a bit of time to process. For short clips, it's usually just a few seconds. Longer videos can take up to a minute or so. You'll see the captions appear once the processing completes. When they're ready, open the caption editor to review and polish the text. This step matters. Scan for spelling mistakes, misheard words, and punctuation that needs tightening. Proper commas and periods make captions much easier to follow. Double-check names, acronyms, and any technical terms. Play sections of the video as you edit to make sure the captions line up naturally with your speech. AI does a great job, but a quick human pass ensures accuracy and professionalism. With your edits saved, preview the video and toggle the captions to verify they look right. While watching, click the CC button to turn captions on or off. This toggle is handy for testing different viewing scenarios. Finally, share your video by copying the Loom link and sending it wherever your audience is. Viewers can turn captions on from their side using the same CC control.